to crush him and cause him to suffer. And thus the Lord makes his life an offering for sin. He will see his offspring and prolong his days, and the will of the Lord will prosper in his hand. Verse 11. After he has suffered, he will see the light of life and be satisfied by his knowledge. My righteous servant.
The sound of the fatherless crying. Who will go for us? Who will shout to the glorious of the earth that Christ is King? The sound of the nations calling. Hear the sound of the fathers crying. Who will go for us? Who will shout to the glorious of the earth that Christ is King? Who will speak to nations, being open? Who will speak to nations, all your needs? We speak to nations, the kingdom is coming near to you. So let's make it stronger. We speak to stronger, be broken, power of darkness, you have to flee. We speak to nations, the kingdom is coming near to you. We speak to you, be Hear the sound of the nations worshiping. The sound of the sons and daughters sing. We will go for your Lord. We will go for you. We will shout to the glorious of the earth that Christ is King. We speak to nations, be open. We speak to nations, all your
Ayan guys, tapos na pala ang ating church dito guys. Pauwi na naman tayo.
Sa patuloy namin
After church. Ayan guys, tapos na nga pala tayo mag-church. Ito, duty na naman tayo sa ating tindahan guys. After church, duty agad tayo. Ayan, thank you for watching.